My name is Nilankan Chaudhuri. I'm studying mechanical engineering. If I get an opportunity, I'm not afraid of the commitment. Like, okay, I'll do it. I mean, it's great. Also, I looked at some of my peers. I'm like, okay, I think this opportunity is a blessing for me. So I will accept it and I'll see where it takes me from there. I interviewed for ZF Automotive. They are commercial automotive suppliers, so they made safety systems, they made steerings, like electric power systems. I was placed in the steering headquarters. For 6 months, I got to learn the company. I learned the people in the company, locally and internationally. I got to work with design, testing, development, and reporting. So that was just the first 4 months. I'm like a product engineer and I'm doing my part as a full-time employee. Like everyone knew my name. They treated me like an equal, like a full-time. They would give me responsibilities accordingly. I didn't have to relocate elsewhere, so I would go to school 6 months and then I would go to work 6 months, but I would stay in the same house. I was quite satisfied to live in the city as well as earn the amount I'm earning as a co-op. That helped me pay my bills. I bought a car with that money. I'm paying my final semester tuition and my rent and other smaller expenditures during the co-op session. So yeah, I would say they paid well. At Purdue, I keep jumping my perspective. You have few lectures in this subject, and you have few lectures in that subject, and your mind has to change from this direction to that direction and jump around. While over there, it's more fixed perspective and you're learning more in depth, as well as the bigger picture in the world, which is not necessarily possible in classroom level. They're doing actual engineering, so they trained me to be a step ahead. And networking, international outreach. I work directly with England, Spain, and Germany, so I got connections, professional connections there as well, who I know on a name-to-name basis. A person who has seen and been in the industry before graduation is much better off having a broader perspective and a greater outreach compared to a person who has not.